My 1987 C10's got a 355, bored over 30, got a comp cam, new lifters, custom gunmetal gray paint job. I did it myself. Still needs to be wet sand and buffed. Got some wheels and tires on there, but I plan on selling them for 500 bucks. So if you know anybody who wants to buy them, let me know. I'm gonna go back with the OEM, show you what the interior looks like. Got new seals, all new weather seals for the windows. Still got to do the bed. Plan on doing a liner in it. Got new window sills. They were a pain in the butt to do. So your driver's side interior. Got OEM gauges. Got the billet grill. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed my 1987 C10. Please comment and subscribe.